Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus, and in this video I will show how you can simply change currency in Fiverr, or how would I call it. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be here, and then just go right top corner to profile picture, and then you're gonna see euro here. So click on it, and now right here you can just like choose currency, and like United States dollars or USD. Or like Indian rupee, like whatever you want. It's like really simple. So again, you go to right top corner, to profile, and just change it here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.